at the moment we're doing chest press here. You lay it on the bench, make sure this is in line with your chest. You take the handles from here and you press. Control it back down and press. Nice and smooth. When you finish, just let it out. Move yourself out. Right, I've now got it set for shoulder press. Because it's shoulder press, I'm going to make sure I've got a little bit less weight on it. Again, you can have these handles or these handles depending on your flexibility of where you want to start. So from here, I go from here and press above my head. And then elbows underneath the bar and press. When you're doing the shoulder press, you want the elbow and the bone to go into this bar, in line with that bar. Don't have your wrist like this or that. You want it underneath, so when you push with your elbows, it stays underneath.